Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So we put about u equals to s squared minus 2s plus 5. If we do first derivative, you got about the u equals to 2s minus number 2. dv, we got about e to the power of negative s ds. v, we got about negative e to the power of negative s. So we have u multiplied with v. Because we have the negative sign in here, so you got about positive, and we have the integral 2s minus 2 multiplied with e to the power of negative s ds. Now we use the same technique, integration by parts, but we just change about this one. So this one you got about number 2. This one is same. So for this one, we change for v multiplied with u. Because we have the negative sign here, so you got about positive, and we have number 2, the integral e to the power of negative s ds. So this one we got about negative number 2 e to the power of negative s, and we put about c is about the constant. That's the end. Thank you for watching. If we simplify this one, you will get about negative e to the power of negative s, and we have s squared plus 5